10 simple yet gorgeous backyard DIY projects you can start today. Elevate your garden. Let me ask you something honest. How long has it been since you actually sat outside and truly enjoyed your backyard? Not just walked through it, not just mowed it, but actually sat down, looked around, and thought, yeah, this feels good. For a lot of us, the answer is a while. And it's not because we don't care. It's because we don't know where to start. The projects feel too big, too expensive, too complicated. Well, not today. Today, on Modern Yard Lab, I'm giving you 10 simple yet gorgeous backyard DIY projects you can literally start today. No contractor, no massive budget, no experience required. Before we get into it, I need you to do one thing right now. Look at your backyard, or picture it in your mind, and drop one word in the comments that describes it. Just one word. Could be boring, could be messy, could be potential. I want to see it. Let's go. Idea 1. A DIY pallet. Wood Garden Bench Project 1. And we're starting with something that's both useful and beautiful. A garden bench made from reclaimed pallet wood. Now I know what you're thinking. Pallet wood? Really? Yes. Really. When you sand it down, stain it in a dark walnut or charcoal finish, and add some simple metal hairpin legs. Pallet wood goes from scrapyard to showstopper. This is a weekend project that costs almost nothing if you source free pallets from local stores or warehouses. And the result is a custom outdoor bench that looks like it came straight from a designer boutique. But here's your challenge. Find one free pallet this week. Just one. That's your starting point. Drop pallet in the comments if you're taking on this challenge. I dare you. Idea 2. Painted terracotta pots. Cluster Project 2 is one of my absolute favorites, and it costs next to nothing. Take a collection of terracotta pots, different sizes, same shape, and paint them in a coordinated color palette. Think matte white and sage green, or terracotta with black accents, or soft blush tones with gold rims. Cluster them together in odd numbers, 3, 5, or 7. Plant them with trailing plants, succulents, or bold tropical foliage, and arrange them at your back door, along steps, or beside a garden bench. The result is a curated, intentional garden display that looks like you hired a stylist. Oh, this is honestly one of the easiest wins in outdoor design. And if you try this, take a photo and share it in the comments. I feature viewer projects right here on Modern Yard Lab. Idea 3. DIY Garden Trellis Privacy Screen. Project 3. Privacy. Because your backyard should feel like your space. A DIY trellis privacy screen is the perfect solution. You build a simple timber frame. Cedar or treated pine works brilliantly. Fill it with a diagonal or square lattice pattern, mount it on posts, and let climbing plants do the rest over time. In the short term, it's a beautiful architectural feature. In a season or two, it becomes a lush green living wall that gives you genuine privacy from neighbors. You can also add a coat of dark paint, charcoal or deep forest green, to make it look incredibly sleek and modern against your garden. Quick question for you. Is privacy a big deal in your yard? Yes or no? Tell me in the comments. You'd be surprised how many people are dealing with this exact problem. Idea 4. Concrete Block Planter Towers. Project 4. This one looks expensive. It absolutely is not. Concrete Block Planter Towers. You stack standard concrete blocks, the hollow kind from any hardware store, in a staggered tower pattern, fill the hollow centers with soil, and plant colorful annuals, succulents, or trailing plants in each opening. The result is a striking, sculptural garden feature that catches everyone's eye. You can stack them to different heights for a dynamic arrangement, And you can paint the blocks in matte black or white for a completely modern look. Cost? Depending on your size, anywhere between $20 and $50. Impact? Enormous. Would you go bold with black painted blocks or keep them natural gray? Tell me your choice below. I genuinely want to know what style resonates with the modern yard lab community. Idea 5. DIY stepping stone path with personalized stamps. Project 5, halfway there. And this one adds serious character to your garden. A DIY stepping stone path using poured concrete, with personalized stamps pressed in while the concrete is still wet. You can press in leaves, geometric patterns, mosaic tiles, pebbles, or even your kids' handprints. Each stone becomes a unique piece of garden art. The process is simple. Pour concrete into a circular mold. Smooth the surface. Press your chosen texture or object in, let it cure, and lay it in your garden path. This is one of those projects that becomes a memory. Years later, you'll look at those stones and remember exactly when you made them. What would you press into your stepping stones? A leaf? A geometric pattern? Something personal? Drop your idea in the comments. Some of the answers I get on this channel genuinely surprise me. Idea 6. A hanging macrame or rope plant display. Project 6 brings some texture, warmth, and bohemian charm to your outdoor space. A hanging plant display using macrame rope hangers or simple knotted jute rope, suspended from a pergola beam, a tree branch, or a freestanding timber frame. Hang trailing plants like pothos, string of pearls, or ivy at varying heights to create a cascading green curtain effect. Mix pot sizes and plant types for visual interest. This is incredibly low cost. A ball of jute rope and a few basic knots are all you need. And the effect it creates is genuinely stunning. It adds vertical dimension and makes your outdoor space feel like a garden retreat. And if macrame feels intimidating, it really isn't. Basic plant hanger knots take about 20 minutes to learn. Want me to do a dedicated tutorial on this? Drop macrame in the comments and I'll make it happen. Idea 7. A DIY outdoor chalkboard or planting sign wall project 7. This one is both practical and charming, and it works especially well if you have kids or a kitchen garden. Create a DIY outdoor chalkboard wall by painting a section of timber board, a fence panel, or even a large flat stone with exterior chalkboard paint. Use it to label your garden beds, write seasonal planting schedules, draw garden layout maps, or just let your kids go wild with garden-themed art. For a more polished version, create a series of uniform timber signs with routed or painted labels for each herb and plant in your kitchen garden. Use a consistent font and finish, and suddenly your garden looks like a proper curated botanical space. It's a small touch that adds enormous personality. And personality is what separates a good garden from a great one. Idea 8. A upcycled wheelbarrow planter. Project 8, and this one always gets a reaction. An upcycled wheelbarrow turned into a rolling garden planter. Find an old wheelbarrow. Maybe you have one. Maybe you find one at a garage sale or thrift store for next to nothing. Give it a fresh coat of paint in matte black, a forest green, or a pop of color like mustard yellow. Drill drainage holes in the base, fill it with quality potting mix, and plant it up with a mix of trailing and upright plants. What you end up with is a charming, rustic, and totally unique garden centerpiece that can be moved wherever the season takes you. It photographs beautifully. It gets compliments every single time. And it costs almost nothing to create. If you've ever done an upcycled planter project, any kind, share it in the comments. I want to feature the most creative ones on the channel. Idea 9. DIY garden lighting with mason jars. Project 9, because we've talked about what your garden looks like in the day. Now, let's talk about what it feels like at night. DIY garden lighting using mason jars. I'll fill mason jars with solar fairy lights. They charge during the day and glow beautifully at night. Hang them from tree branches, shepherd's hooks, or string them along a fence line at different heights. Add a handful of sea glass, river pebbles, or sand to the bottom of each jar for a layered decorative effect. The light refracts through the glass and creates the most magical, warm glow. This is one of those projects that costs under $30 for your whole yard and transforms the atmosphere completely. Nighttime in your garden will never be the same. And honestly, this is the kind of thing you want to share. If you try this, tag us or drop a photo in the comments. I would love to see your nighttime garden glow. Idea 10. A complete DIY garden corner makeover project 10. The one that brings it all together. I pick one corner of your backyard, just one, and give it a complete makeover using what you've learned today. Start with a simple raised planter or concrete block tower. Add a trellis or privacy screen behind it. Hang a couple of mason jar lights from above. Place a styled cluster of painted terracotta pots nearby. Lay 2 or 3 personalized stepping stones leading to it. Suddenly, that one forgotten corner of your yard becomes a destination, a feature, a place you actually want to spend time in. You don't need to transform your whole yard at once. One corner, done well, changes everything. And that's the whole philosophy of Modern Yard Lab. One project at a time, one corner at a time, until you have the outdoor space you've always wanted. In closing, so there you have it. 10 simple yet gorgeous backyard DIY projects you can start today. And I mean today. Not next weekend. Not when you have more money. Today. Pick just one project from this list. Which one is calling your name? Drop the number in the comments right now. 1 through 10. Let's see which project the Modern Yard Lab community is most excited about. I have a feeling I already know which one wins. And here's something special. If you start any of these projects and share a photo in the comments, I will personally feature the best ones in an upcoming video. Your backyard transformation could be seen by thousands of people right here on this channel. How cool is that? If you're new to Modern Yard Lab, welcome. You've found the right place. Every single week, we bring you honest, practical, and beautiful DIY garden ideas that actually work in real yards for real people with real budgets. Hit subscribe. Ring the notification bell. You genuinely don't want to miss what's coming next. Thank you so much for being here today. Now close this video, go outside, and start something. Your yard is waiting for you. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.